Welcome to Joe Kirogo and Associates. My name is CPA Daniel Kirogo. As we had promised, today we are going to take our Q&A session. This entails the Finance Act 2023 and the current trends that have been introduced by the government, and that is what we want to have an interaction with it. I have divided my section into the topics that we're going to handle this morning. The first session we're going to handle about tax amnesty. We go to the questions that you sent on e-teams, NHIF emerging issues, NSSF and housing levy. And also I have one question for the rental income. So straight away to the questions. The first question that you sent was, how do we deal with debts that we do not agree with for the period 31st December 2022? As you can see in our previous videos on tax amnesty, which it is a period which is undergoing until 30th June 2024, and in case you have any outstanding principal amount, as per the question that was raised, you are supposed to engage the commissioner and you settle the dispute of the principal amount, and then once you settle the dispute, you are going to be given a leeway to apply for penalties and interest. In case you have any matter that you would like our assistance, our contact will be provided there. Kindly talk to us, because time is much running, so that we can handle the dispute in the minimum time possible, and so that you're able to apply for the tax amnesty. The second question is still the same question. It goes that, will I qualify for amnesty if I have objected an assessment or I am undergoing the dispute resolution? As I've said, you're supposed to engage the commissioner. Engaging the commissioner is going to carry and solving your tax issue. If you have any matter at the moment which goes on domestic taxes and you would like assistance, kindly call us very soon as possible, because time is running much. The amnesty period goes until 30th June 2024. Question number 3, do all obligations qualify for tax amnesty? So the tax amnesty only undertakes for the obligation under the Tax Procedure Act CPA 2015. So if you have any dispute on custom duties under EAC, those one does not qualify for the tax amnesty. Then if you want the expound on your dispute, kindly call us. We are going to assist you in that. Can I apply for a payment plan? Yes, if you go and engage the commissioner and you have a principal amount, you can subdivide the amount until before 30th June, so that you pay it under the payment plan, and then you're going to qualify for the amnesty. So let's go to the next topic. I'll handle the 2 questions on e-teams that were sent to us as we had requested. So the first question goes that, if I have like 3 companies, can I download the e-team software for the 3 companies on one laptop? So this one I'll clarify. The question was not very clear, but let me take you through the 3 e-teams applications that are there at KRA. So the first one, in case you are a business name and you are a sole proprietor registered under a business name, so that one, there are 2 versions of it. The first one is you can register on eCitizen, and also KRA has provided an USSD code, which we are going to provide that video in this video. We are going to provide the procedure. So if you are a business name, that's how you're able to register on e-teams. The second one, if you are a partnership, you are a registered partnership, there is an online version that is being installed at KRA, which is different from this eCitizen. So for partnership, you go and you are installed in your computer the online version. So the third one, if you are a registered company, for the companies, that is the e-teams software that is installed in your laptop or in your computer, and you can only install one software for the company. But for the online, you can have as many as possible for the eCitizen, because you're just logging in to those areas. The last question in this section was, what is the procedure for loading your stocks on e-teams to enable raising an invoice? We're going to provide a video, because I cannot do it in the shortest time possible here. Let us provide a short video which explains how you load your stocks on e-teams. There was one question that was sent on rental income. Let me phrase the question how it was sent to me. If a taxpayer who has been filing rental income dies, do I discontinue filing, or what happens? So this is a concerned taxpayer, maybe is is a beneficiary of this taxpayer, and the taxpayer is the deceased and was filing rental income. So maybe under succession, I might touch a little bit on succession, though I'm not an advocate, that when you are doing the succession, so that the estate of the deceased goes to the beneficiaries, the person who is appointed by courts, I think, is called the administrator. So I would advise that maybe you talk to the administrator. The administrator continues filing the rental income until the estate is divided to the beneficiaries, and then the beneficiary, maybe there are 2-3 properties that was being filed under one PIN, can be split to the other PIN. So at this moment that you're doing succession, I would advise that the administrator handles this. And then maybe something I wanted to mention, the PIN of the deceased need to be cancelled also. So if you need our assistance on cancelling this PIN of the deceased, or you have a company that you are closing and you want us to assist in the registration of that PIN, kindly talk to us. So in case you have any question on e-TIMS, in case you have any question on tax amnesty, in case you have any KRA issue pending matter at the moment, kindly contact us and we are going to solve those issues. Thank you very much.